Hey guys, today I will show you how to access Binance demo trading account free practice mode. So first what you need to do is open the Binance app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, look at the bottom menu and tap on wallets. From there, scroll until you see the option for futures and tap on it. Inside the futures section, you'll notice an option for practice or demo trading. Tap on it to switch into demo mode. If you don't see it right away, look for the three-dot menu in the top corner and select mock trading from the list. Once you enter demo trading, Binance will provide you with virtual funds. These aren't real, but they let you practice buying and selling without any risk. You'll be able to place orders, test strategies, and get comfortable with the futures interface just like you would in a live account. If you ever want to return to real trading, simply switch back by tapping on the live option at the top of the screen. This is a great way to learn how Binance Futures works before putting in your own money. Thanks for watching.